My dear students, I hope that you are all fine and fit. Today we will discuss acids from the lesson 5th chapter of 10th class, acids, base and salts. So first of all, we will give the definition of acid. As you know that there are many concepts to define these acids, bases and salts, and for that we will take some simple definitions of these acids here. As you know that these acids are the substances. Acids are the substances which are sour in taste. So we can say that all the substances which are sour in taste, khata sour, they have khata sour, and the substances which have sour taste, they are said to be the acids. For example, citrus fruits like unripe grapes, unripe mango, tomatoes, right? They are all sour in taste. Why they are sour in taste? Because they contain acids in them. So this is the first definition of acids. Second definition of acids is that the substances, acids are the substances which turn blue litmus paper into red litmus paper. So they have this property that, as you know that we have two types of litmus papers, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. And what is the properties of acids? They turn blue litmus paper into red litmus paper. And these are some of the simple definitions of these acids. Now we will have the classification of acids. What are the two types of acids? So we have to discuss here types of acids. There are actually two types of acids. How many types of acids? Two types of acids. What are these two types of acids? First is that's called organic acid. Second is called mineral acid. Or we can say that this is also named as inorganic acids. So these are the two types of acids, that's organic acid and mineral acid. Now what are organic acids? Organic acids are those acids which are obtained from plant materials and animals. So we can define here, organic acids are the acids which are obtained from plant materials and animals. So these are the acids which are obtained from plant materials and animals. That means we can have the source of these, that they have a living source. That's why they are called organic acids. Now we have many types of these organic acids. Various examples of these organic acids. For example, we have citric acid. And number second, this is first example. Second example is that's called acetic acid. Number third is that's called formic acid. Number fourth is that's lactic acid. Number fifth is that's oxalic acid. Number 6 is that's called tartaric acid. These are the various examples of these organic acids. Now you know that this citric acid is obtained from, now we will discuss the sources of these various organic acids. This citric acid is obtained from citrus fruits. Like citrus apples, citrus mango, Citrus here means that they are sour in taste. And we have, for example, unripe grapes. Unripe grapes. Or we can say that these are generally obtained from citrus fruits. Number second is that acetic acid. It's obtained from vinegar. Vinegar, or its Hindi name, it is called sirka. So it's obtained from vinegar. Formic acid, it's obtained from odd sitting. Or it's also obtained from nettle plant. Nettle plant sitting. And we have this lactic acid, it's obtained from curd. Lactic acid. Oxalic acid, it's obtained from tomatoes. And we have tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is obtained from unripe grapes. Unripe grapes. So these are the various examples of these organic acids and the various sources of these organic acids. And these organic acids are actually naturally occurring acids. These are also named as naturally occurring acids. Naturally occurring acids, or these are also called weak acids. Weak acids. So naturally occurring acids, weak acids. Weak acids here means that they are not too much dangerous. We can use them. We can eat the things, we can drink the things which contain these organic acids. Organic acids. So this was the information about organic acid. Now we have second type here. That is called mineral acid. That's called mineral acid. What are mineral acids or inorganic acids? These are the acids which are obtained, which are prepared from the minerals of the earth. Mineral acids are the acids. Mineral acids are the acids which are prepared from minerals of the earth. So these are the acids which are prepared from the minerals of the earth. So these acids are called mineral acids. And these acids are also called man-made acids. These acids are also called man-made acids. These acids are very dangerous acids. These are strong acids. These are strong acids or dangerous acids. So we can say that the acids which are obtained from the minerals of the earth are called organic mineral acids. These are man-made acids. These are strong acids. Now what are the various examples? What are the various examples of mineral acids? The three common examples, the three most common example of mineral acids are, first is that is sulfuric acid, H2SO4. This is sulfuric acid. It is one of the mineral acid. Second is that is hydrochloric acid, HCl. HCl is the hydrochloric acid. Third one, that is called nitric acid, HNO3. HNO3. In the same way, we have many examples here. Sulfurous acid, H2SO3. H2SO3. In the same way, we have one more example here of mineral acid. That's called carbonic acid, H2CO3. These are the various examples. That's sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfurous acid, carbonic acid. These are mineral acids or inorganic acids. They are strong acids. They are very dangerous acids. They can be used with care in the laboratory, because these are very dangerous acids. They can burn our skin. They can burn the paper, wood, etc. So this was the information regarding the acid and the types of acids.